isa. Let me know kung saan gusto, malapit man o malayo. Kahit ilan pa ang baggage mo, let's fly and go. Kaya na, let's fly and go. Kung kaya mo, mura nga, world's best low-cost airline to. Take you anywhere you want, Pinas man o ibang bansa. Book mo na with your add-ons pa. Let's fly and go. Let's fly and go. Marami man na Cebu, a trip for your next trip. Let's fly and go. Let's fly and go. Like the photos in Japan, so let's keep on flying. Let's fly and go.
A warm round of applause for our AirAsia All-Stars. It's Seasons of Asia, everyone! Today, we witness all...
And I'm so happy all of you here, especially our media friends, today and tomorrow. Do not forget the best time to book all your AirAsia international destinations. So start planning, call all your friends, contact them via Facebook, TikTok, and of course your IG. Don't forget, Glorieta until tomorrow, but more importantly, today's Saturday, perfect weather out there. Why? Because this is our international travel fair. So you know for a fact that we are already in KL, Kota Kinabalu, Kaohsiung, Taipei, Hong Kong, Macau. We're also in Incheon, and of course, not to forget, Narita, Osaka. What else? Did I forget anything? Yes, not to forget, on October 29, we are going to be in Nagoya. Don't forget, 3 times a week, right, Gian? 3 times a week, Nagoya. And now is the best chance because we have a lot of good friends from Japan and Malaysia. And I just would like to acknowledge them, of course. We have the team here of Dayan and her team. And we're so privileged to have Hana Dahalan, Tourism Malaysia. Hi Hana, all the way from KL. We also have Michael Angelo Antenor, Tourism Malaysia. And of course, I just met him earlier, Kawamura Hisashi. Hisashi? Okay, Hisashi-san. Japan National Tourism Organization. And of course, last but not least, Katrina Ann Gaspay, Japan National Tourism Organization. And now, it's almost Christmas. I just saw a nice Christmas tree over there. Why? Because we have here our friends. And I see the Christmas trees beside our hotel friend, Hop In. Marami pong salamat. Marami pong salamat. We also have Globe, BPI, our lead bank credit card for today. And of course, not to forget, our brothers and sisters from AirAsia Move and Santan. Thank you very much. And now, I would like to give you back Miss Lady, and of course to all our AirAsia A team. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank
and
you
of
so
course
much.
to our media friends, Lady.
Yes, thank you so much to our
Thank you.
CEO, Mr. Riz, to you po. Hear firsthand from our CEO about what's new and exciting in the world of travel. So to our media guests, and of course our partners, if you have any questions to our CEO, Mr. Ricky Isla, this is the perfect time po. So let's start with Sir.
Hello, I'm Sir Ted Claudio from WhatsApp.ph. I'm actually planning to go to Japan, so can I ask Sir Ricky, what are the new entry points and going to Japan?
Thank you. The excitement continues, and then it's going to be Japan, which is going to be our highlight. Aside from Osaka, aside from Narita, we are now launching our 3rd city, that's Nagoya, October 29. October 29. Do not forget, please. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, Nagoya, and this is at exactly, am I correct, Gian? 10:35 schedule. 10:40. That's perfect time, right? 10:40 in the morning, leave Manila. TTHS. And that's starting October 29. Nagoya. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Ricky. Thank you so much, sir. So mark your calendars. October 29 sa mga gustong mag-Japan. Thank you so much, AirAsia, kasi we have our third city, Nagoya.
Lady, and the schedule is just perfect.
Yes.
10:30 to 10:40, around that time.
Yes, Sir Ricky, that's
10:40.
so perfect po. Imagine landing there bago po maghapon. You've got all the time to travel Japan.
Yeah, Terminal 3, don't forget.
Yes, Terminal 3. And for our next question, do we have some other questions from our video partners and tourism partners as well?
Hi sir, good afternoon. Ano po yung may pagmamayabang niyo with AirAsia compared to other airlines?
Okay. Well, first of all, we have what we call our AirAsia Move. That's a super app, AirAsia Move. We think we are at an advantage when you book your flight, your hotel, and do not forget, okay, I have to plug your hop-in hotel, right? Especially when you go to Thailand, right? And you also book your flight, your ride. When you go to Malaysia, we have AirAsia ride. So it's complete end-to-end. And of course, for your pasalubong, do not forget to shop. That is also part of Move. So it's a complete lifestyle, travel lifestyle. That is our big advantage. And not to forget the quality of customer service, the kind of, what do you call this? The warmth, the kindness, the service that we give to all our passengers. And this is because AirAsia is so guest obsessed, right? So lady, it's not enjoying the trip, going to that vacation spot, Nagoya, but you can feel the AirAsia ride, the AirAsia flight. As they say, let's go and fly, AirAsia. Thank you.
That's correct, Sir Ricky. Maybe that's the testament.
On our 15th year, consecutive years of being the best low-cost carrier, not only in Asia, but in the whole world.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, Sir Ricky. As we all say, we are all a proud all-star. So next question, please. Do we still have some questions from our media partners?
Hi, Sir Ricky. Congratulations, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you.
I know early pa, but since Christmas season naman na tayo, ano yung pwede nating i-look forward na new promos leading to Christmas?
Okay, katatapos lang ng piso sale namin. Tapos meron tayong 99. Ngayon meron tong international travel fair until tomorrow. Don't forget, marami pa kaming susunod. May parang pa tayong mga double digit 10-10, 11-11, and 12-12. And of course, not to forget our piso sale. But the best is, go to AirAsia Move. Doon po tayo sa Move, mag-online booking. Let's all do our bookings on AirAsia Move. That's the best selling price, the best promo that you can actually maximize from AirAsia. Thank you.
Wow, a lot of promos. One last from our media and travel partners. Another question? Okay, if not, here's one question, Sir Ricky. So how's the international travel scene here in our country, the Philippines? And how is AirAsia doing in this aspect?
Okay, ganda, no? We're almost 100% of our 2019 for domestic levels, in the domestic flights. For international, we're not yet 100%, but we're getting close to that. And the reason why we would like to focus on international is because we are actually looking at long-haul flights. When we say long-haul flights like Japan, this is the best time that we will be able to maximize our food, our shopping when you are in the aircraft, right? And also at the same time, remember that when you fly AirAsia, it's Terminal 3 for international, and we are still in domestic Terminal 2. Because there has been some announcements, but right now, Terminal 2 domestic, Terminal 3 international, right? Okay.
Thank you so much, Sir Ricky. Okay, para sa clarification, we are still in Terminal 3 for international and Terminal 2 for domestic.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Ricky. So, another question, Sir Ricky. Sorry for a
No,
lot
it's
of
okay.
questions. Okay, since we have mentioned it a while ago, are there any new routes that you plan to open in the
Yes.
pipeline? Maybe in the next few months?
Yes. Hannah, I just would like, I'm so excited, Hannah. We're gonna fly to Penang very, very soon. Hey, see you in Penang. Okay? And also not to forget, we're also gonna revisit. We will go back. We will fly again. Ang pagbabalik po ng Bali, Denpasar. Okay? So, okay, don't forget, for the meantime, Go Nagoya, it's out for sale, right? Okay.
So much,
Thank
Sir
you.
Ricky. We're very excited
Thank you, lady.
for all the
Thank you.
plans that you have shared
Marami pong
today.
salamat.
But of course,